Datalogic Mobile presents a video case study featuring I&R Partners, a supplier of automated data capture solutions for quality control that feature rugged mobile computers from Datalogic Mobile. In this case study, I&R Partners implements a solution at Yale Commercial Lock and Hardware that significantly reduces scrap from the manufacturing process. Let's start by meeting Paul Ianello, founder of I&R Partners.
I started the company in 2004. I have a mechanical engineering background, but I've been in SPC data collection for quality control since 1986. So in 2004, we decided that we wanted to utilize mobile computers to solve the problems of quality control departments in manufacturing and collecting their data and getting it in a real-time format to their operators. We have developed a software product which does have a statistical process control module within it to allow people collecting data to be able to see trends that are going on. So the whole idea is to not catch a part when it's out of spec, but to catch a part before it ever becomes out of spec. So we have trend checking within our system, 10-way trend checking that goes and looks at the data and determines whether or not this product is about to be made out of spec, thus enabling the operator to make those changes and adjustments on the fly before a bad product's ever made.
In this next section, we go to Yale Commercial Lock and Hardware. Yale, an Assa Abloy company, is one of America's most trusted names in security. We continue our case study with Jason DeWitt, a quality technician at Yale.
What was the process that took place?
Well, we did do SPC charts, but they done it by hand.
If they had a blueprint in front of them for a part, they'd manufacture the part, they'd measure the part, and they'd put the dimensions of the part came out all by hand.
And then at the end of the day, they'd average it all up and then do their chart. If it was out of control, you didn't rent all day worth, and then you had 2 days worth of scrap.
You mentioned before that you've seen a great reduction in the amount of scrap being generated.
We've had an 80% reduction.
An 80% reduction in the scrap rate. Okay.
Instead of running 2 days worth of bad parts, they might run 15 minutes of bad parts. Right. You know, it's easier to separate out.
Yale relies on I&R Partners to help keep their manufactured components within specification. A Datalogic Falcon is connected to the gauge. I&R software on the Datalogic Falcon assures the component is within specification. Now, let's go back to Paul Ianello and hear what type of equipment is needed in a manufacturing environment.
There was a lot that we needed. Number one, we had to have the ability to communicate to gauging. But for us to have the system we needed, it's not a matter of just plugging in a cable and disconnecting a cable like most mobile computer manufacturers allow you to do with a fairly flimsy USB connection. This particular unit here from Datalogic has a serial port on the bottom, and 99% of our gauge manufacturers today for quality control applications utilize serials. So we can easily plug a gauge adapter right here into the bottom of this unit, thus giving me a digimatic output right here to plug digital calipers, micrometers, height gauges, weigh scale, whatever the case may be, into it. Secondly, we also had to have wireless capability, the ability to communicate wirelessly to another host computer somewhere on the shop floor. The unit had to be robust. Our units are all being used out on the shop floor. They're in nasty environments with oil, humidity, temperature, shock and vibration. They're dropped on the floor. Our systems are not being used mainly by engineers and technicians. Our systems are used by operators. So they have to be very simple to operate, and they have to be very robust in the event, again, being dropped or mishandled.
Thank you for watching a Datalogic Mobile video case study. For more information on automatic data capture for quality control applications, contact I&R Partners at 615-420-6324. For all your rugged mobile computer needs, contact Datalogic Mobile at 800-929-7899.